Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs. First, select the freshest eggs you can find. They hold their shape beautifully. Fill a medium pot with about 2 to 3 inches of water, then add a small splash of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, ensuring there are only tiny bubbles, not a vigorous boil. This gentle heat is key for a tender egg. Next, carefully crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to slide them into the water without breaking the yolk. With the water at a gentle simmer, use a spoon to create a soft swirl in the pot. Gently slide one egg at a time into the center of the swirl. Cook each egg for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a little longer for a firmer one. Do not overcrowd the pot. To check for doneness, the egg whites should be fully set, but the yolk should still feel soft and jiggly. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each poached egg from the water. Gently drain any excess water by placing the egg on a paper towel-lined plate for a few moments. Finally, transfer your perfectly poached egg to your plate and season it generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Enjoy immediately. Remember, using very fresh eggs is crucial for a compact, well-formed poached egg. The vinegar addition is a simple trick that truly helps the whites coagulate faster, preventing them from spreading too much. Always poach 1 or 2 eggs at a time to maintain water temperature and prevent overcrowding. With a little practice, you will consistently achieve that delightful, runny yolk and tender white. Happy poaching!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.